Hello, dear friends. Look at these funny little creatures and adorable animals. They are so cheerful and full of personalities that they can't help but make you smile. Here I have a whole collection of tiny, cute animals all sorted out. People usually use them in doll houses or simply as little toys. I'm not even sure what all of them were originally intended for, but my friend brought me a whole bag filled with these miniature animals, along with some cute little food items. The first step was to make holes in each piece. My husband helped me with this part because it required a lot of precision. The biggest challenge was drilling the holes in exactly the right place so that I could securely attach the earring hooks. After that, we used metal pins. We cut them to the proper lengths and carefully glued them inside each little animal. As you can see, I ended up creating quite a large collection. I also found these adorable three-dimensional ducks, which became another fun collection in their own way. They are absolutely charming. Now, all of these little animals are ready to be assembled. I need to attach the hooks and put everything together. I think they make amazing summer earrings. They are colorful, fun, lightweight, and affordable. Perfect accessories for the season. For this collection, I used 18-karat gold-plated hooks as well as silver-plated and stainless steel hooks. All of them are hypoallergenic and they are comfortable for sensitive ears. Of course, assembling every single pair took quite a bit of time. And now I need to sort everything into matching pairs. I saw all these collections of funny animals as well as the food, bottles, drinks, and cups in the miniature section, the area with miniature villages, dollhouses, and tiny toys. Most people buy them simply as decorations, but if you make small holes and add earring hooks, they turn into the cutest, most beautiful, and truly unique earrings. People were asking me where I got these ideas. Many were surprised by my creativity and told me they had never thought about using miniatures in this way. They said it was a really fun and original idea. Then I started thinking about the best way to present this beautiful collection. My first idea was to place each pair on a display card and then package it in a clear plastic bag, but I decided to use mesh panels because they are lightweighted and very convenient to set up at market. They also allow customers to see the entire collection at once instead of looking through individual cards. I think this is a much better way to present the earrings, and it makes the whole display look organized, colorful, and attractive. So here it is. The first collection is the animal collection. I displayed all the earrings on a mesh panel because it's very easy to transport, very convenient for customers to browse, and it allows people to see the entire collection at once. The second collection is food court collection, where I grouped all the food-themed earrings. The third collection is the party collection, where I place bottles, drinks, coffee cups, wine glasses, and other fun earrings that are perfect for parties, celebrations, or simply adding a little humor to your outfit. I really enjoyed creating these collections and I hope they make people smile just as much as they made me smile while I was making them. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumb up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.